Hello, in part 2 of our How to Speak Jamaican with Max series, we're going to learn about asking for directions when you're in Jamaica. Again, English is our official language, so if you say it in English, everybody will understand. But if you want to be cool and hip and you want to speak like a Jamaican, this is a way to do it. 2 ways. Okay, the first way is when we can't find, and you insert the name of the place you're looking for. So you could say, when we can't find Don River Falls, or when we can't find Rick's Cafe, or when we can't find the Bob Marley Museum. That is kind of the basic structure. Where me can find. Insert the name of the place you're looking for. When we can't find. All right? That's one way. The second way you can ask for directions is where insert the name of the place and add de at the end. So where the bathroom there? Where the beach bar there? Where the piano lounge there? Where the straw market there? Where juicy beef there? Where tasty patty there? Where Devon House there? Those are some of the ways you can ask for directions. Easy peasy. And then just so you know, our way of giving directions back to you is a little bit different. We don't use north, south, east, west directions at all. We use landmarks and buildings and that sort of thing in terms of our descriptors. So somebody may say, it's over there so. Deso, over there so means away from you, over there. Or, come here so man, right here so. Yaso nice. Yaso means close to you or nearby. And then in terms of a little longer distance, you may say something like, you can't find it if you go down the road and pass the deep bend and looking at the yard with a mango tree. Next to that, you will see the shop with a green fence. That's the sort of thing that we would give back to you in terms of directions. So don't be surprised. You've heard it here first. Jamaicans are very colorful in our descriptions and we have fun in everything we do. Enjoy your time and tune in for the next phase where we talk about how you address people. That will be part 3 of the How to Speak Jamaican with Max series.